Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, let's crochet this beautiful Rakhi. This one is going to be your little brother's favorite because it looks like spinner. Very easy pattern, so let's get started. All you need to make this Rakhi is some weight 3 cotton yarn. With that I am using 2.5mm crochet hook, some beads and pearls. This bead is compulsory here, but here you can add whatever you want. So take any tube bead here, not necessarily this one. You can take any tube bead, but make sure it's a cylindrical bead. Here you can decorate however you want. A tapestry needle, a small needle like this. This is just to insert the bead inside the yarn, and some glue, and don't forget to keep a scissor handy. We will first start with a slip knot. To make a slip knot, hold your yarn like this. Then take this end and twist it once and then fold. Now you can see this is the tail, this is the working yarn. Slowly pull the working yarn outside. After making a slip knot, we will make 8 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After making 8 chains, we will insert our hook in the very first chain here. Yarn over, make a slip stitch. Now we have this tiny circle here. Inside this circle we will work now. Before that, make 2 chains, 1 and 2. After making 2 chains, we will make 16 half double crochet inside this circle. So to make a half double crochet, yarn over once, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops at once. Again, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all the 3. So I made 2 half double crochet, make 14 more, totally 16 half double crochet, and then I'll show you what to do. You can see I made 16 half double crochet. Now this is the first half double crochet we made. On top you can see this chain gap here. There we will make a slip stitch. So insert your hook, yarn over and make a slip stitch. Trim this and now pull up a lengthy loop like this. Take this bead, tube bead, and then insert your bead here. After inserting the bead, yarn over. So you can see this is the chain we just made our slip stitch. So skip the next stitch and into the next stitch here we will make a double crochet. So insert your hook, yarn over and make a double crochet. After making a double crochet, make 2 chains. 1, 2. After making 2 chains, we will now make 5 double crochet on this double crochet we just made. So yarn over once. Watch me carefully. Insert your hook in this gap. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Now we had 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through first 2. Yarn over and pull through next 2. Again yarn over, insert your hook and make a second double crochet. After making 5 double crochets, this is where I made the double crochet from here. So skip 2 chains here and into the third chain, insert your hook, yarn over and make a slip stitch. Pull up a lengthy loop. I am using a small hook like this to insert the bead. If you don't have a small hook like this, then what you can do is take a small thread like this, insert this thread here and hold it like this. Take your bead and insert both the ends inside this bead. You can see you can easily insert your bead this way. After inserting the second bead, yarn over, skip one chain and into the next chain here, insert your hook, yarn over and make a double crochet. After that, as usual, make 2 chains and make 5 double crochet on this double crochet. So after making 5 double crochets, you can see this is where I made double crochet from here. So skip 2 chains, 1 and 2. Into the third chain here, insert your hook, yarn over and make a slip stitch. Again pull up a lengthy loop, insert your bead. After inserting the bead, yarn over, skip 1 chain and into the next chain here, make a double crochet. After that, as usual, chain 2 and make 5 double crochets on top of this double crochet. After making 5 double crochets, as usual, skip 2 chains into the last chain here, insert your hook, yarn over and make a slip stitch. And then chain 1, leave some length of yarn and cut your yarn. Slowly remove the hook. So this completes the Rakhi. Now we will make the tie. To make the tie, start with a slip knot and make 50 to 60 chains. You can make even lengthier chain. It's completely up to you. And then I'll let you know how to make the final finishings. You can see I made 60 chains and now leave some length of yarn and cut your yarn. Now insert your beads and pearls from here. Take this thread, hold it like this, and now add pearls and beads one by one. Weave this tail. So take a tapestry needle, insert your yarn, just pass the yarn through adjacent loops. And now trim the excess yarn. Now we will insert the Rakhi here. Again take a tapestry needle, insert your yarn and then insert it here and then exactly opposite to that. And just pull your yarn. Add pearls and beads this side. We will now add this bead here and just place your pearl just like cherry on top. So this completes the Rakhi. Hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching.